Hello everyone, it's Wednesday the 11th of February 2026. It's a lovely calm day on Boundary Bay, beautiful sunrise. I've got some geese and ducks and little sanderlings up ahead. I'm going to go and film them now. It's just so beautiful and peaceful. It's a very tragic day for Canada. We woke up to awful news this morning from Tumbler Ridge. So my thoughts are with everyone in Canada. It's not something that happens here. Take care everyone. Have a good day. And I'll talk to you all later. Let me see if I can get those sanderlings. Bye-bye.